I am recording this video to address Professor Wing Lam's final piece of the assignment for software project management. I will talk about the Belbin team roles, the Myers-Briggs personality test, and the reasons as to whether I think I make a good project manager, along with my strengths and weaknesses. There are 9 different components to the Belbin team roles, and the one that resonates with me the most is the action-oriented component. I have chosen the implementer and the completer finisher. As for the implementer, when it comes to group assignments in a university setting, I find myself to be very reliable and efficient, but very inflexible to changes. And when it comes to completer finisher, I'm very conscientious about the fact that there's a timeline to meet. But I stress a lot in the process, and I'm not willing to delegate my work, especially when it comes to work that requires me to chip in the most. And moving on to Myers-Briggs test, my results came up to be IITJ, introverted, intuitive, thinking, and judging. I am very introverted by nature, so I find that to be very applicable to me. I enjoy introverted activities such as reading and writing. And for intuitive, I am very in tune to other people's feelings. I'm very in tune with my feelings, and I find that for me to be in tune with other people's feelings, I need to be in tune with my own feelings. Thinking, I like to weigh my options. I like to think about making my decisions. I need to know that I'm making the right decisions based on credible sources and weighing all my options before making the actual decision. And for judging, I like to think that I have a good sense of judgment, and also relates back to thinking as well. So before I do make a good judgment, I make a good judgment call about something. I make sure I weigh all my options before making that judgment call. So a number of components in IITJ, and I think that resonates with me the most. Whether I think I will make a good project manager, my answer is yes, I will make a good project manager, because I view projects as day-to-day activities. This can be housekeeping, this can be anything. It can be university setting, it can be in a corporate setting, it can be anything. I like to think as everything as a project management activity. So I apply project management principles in everything I do when it comes to starting a project and seeing through the project and making sure the project comes to fruition. So I like finishing what I started, and I think those principles apply to me in every context, not just a university setting, but in a day-to-day context. And my strengths would be, I tend to be very hardworking. I tend to be very meticulous when it comes to details. But I feel like I overthink a lot, and that might slow down the entire process of finishing work. So I would like to strike a balance and make sure I not only complete work and work hard, but I need to work smart as well. So I think I need a balance between working hard and working smart, and not dwell on the things of no relevance. So I think that applies to me the most. Thanks.